Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Cinematograph Certification Rules 2024. Recently, the Centre notified the Cinematograph Certification Rules 2024, replacing the 1983 version in a bid to improve the film certification process. The rules were notified following the Parliament's nod to the Cinematograph Amendment Act last year. The move would empower the Indian film industry by inducing transparency, ease of doing business, protection from piracy, among other issues. The amendment was prompted by concerns over piracy, which reportedly cost the film industry Rs 20,000 crore in losses. Starting 1st January 2025, films submitted for prestigious events like the National Film Awards and the International Film Festival must comply with the guidelines. A dedicated committee appointed by the ministry, with half its members being persons with hearing or visual disabilities and representatives from the film industry, will oversee the implementation. Let's discuss what are the new norms in Cinematograph Certification Rules 2024. Introducing age-based category for certification, subdividing the existing UA, that is Universal Adult category, into three. UA 7+, suitable for viewers aged 7 and above, UA 13+, suitable for viewers aged 13 and above, and UA 16+, suitable for viewers aged 16 and above. These age-based ratings are advisory, intended to help parents or guardians decide whether a film is suitable for their children. Aligning the certification process with online platforms to reduce processing time and streamline procedures. Ensuring accessibility features for disabled individuals in films and promoting gender diversity in the Central Board of Film Certification and its advisory panels, with a requirement for at least 1/3 of the board members to be women. Establishing a system for prioritizing film screenings to enhance transparency and eliminate bias, particularly to accommodate filmmakers' commitments and promote ease of doing business. Removing the 10-year limit on CBFC certificates, allowing them to remain valid indefinitely. Recertification for edited films intended for television broadcast is required only for those categorized as unrestricted public exhibition. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, what is the recommended age for the UA 7+ category? 5 years and above, 7 years and above, 10 years and above, or 13 years and above? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.